Guys, welcome to another video. Cuinix here. Na leo niko na Nico, as always, main man pale. So today, okay, it's Monday and I'm sorry I do not have a video up. We were busy during the weekend. Nico was not around and I was just basically busy. So today is not like a special video, one of those videos I do like how-to videos and or anything. Today we're just going to do like a day in the life. I don't know, something of the sort. We're just gonna do some things and we're going to take you along for the journey. Yeah, Christmas is coming soon. Businesses are closing. YouTubers are going home. On vacation. We're the ones who are going home. So so basically what we're going to do today, the car is dirty. We're going to go to a car wash. First of all, we're going to go to a welder because we need to make the car a bit louder. It's loud. Okay, so as I was saying, the car is loud, but we can make it a little bit louder by, I don't know, straight piping or do some. Okay, let me give you a startup. I don't know if you picked that on camera, but it's loud. Sometimes back I deleted the exhaust and I put in an auto racing muffler, but it got stolen at a garage that I had the car sitting for a while. So I replaced it with the key pipe, and that's basically what I've been using. So today we'll just be doing that stuff. I don't know, just come along for the journey. Just might not know how it might turn out. So basically this is my janky ass exhaust. I know, don't hate on the comments. This is what I currently use. It's a bit silent, so don't mind me. So what we're going to do is like we're going to take off this bottleneck, the whole of it, and hopefully it makes some better noises. So yeah. So it's off and it's super hot. We're not going to try and touch that. Now I just have this big old hole. So we just got off the welder. We're at the car wash, and as you can see, please let me not trigger any of you because I'm not keeping that whatever is behind there, that pipe. I have a muffler that's on the way, and I'm in the plans of like just straight piping the whole car. It's going to be loud, but what can I say? I'm just giving my neighbors more reasons to hate me. I'm going to give you some sound clips later on, I guess. Some when you're like in an open field or something, or just at home, who cares? So as always, the car is dirty. As I said, we're going to wash it. No, we're not. We're at my friend's car wash. So the next time we see this thing, it's going to be dirty. I mean clean. No more bird poop. Yeah. So it's finally done. I swear this color really pops when it's clean, especially. Yeah. So we're going to get the exhaust clips at home, I guess. So yeah, it's tell me you don't like this. I mean, it's beautiful. Okay, so let's go home.
Bado.
Unaonekana pushing out the gas.
Ujaribu tu ingine.
It's burning. Again. There's another plume of smoke. I swear I just gave my neighbors more reasons to hate me, but yeah, thanks for watching today's video. It's super all over there. I don't know, leave a comment, like, share, subscribe. Happy holidays, it's Christmas, going on a vacay. See you on the next banger. Interested to know how you made this super cool number plate that says Cuinix, which you're supposed to subscribe to? Please watch my video on that. Watch the other video I did on race wars, and for more content, just to support the channel. Thank you.